My brothers, it is February 14th, 2021. Now, most of you know I live in Arlington, Texas. I stay about like 15 minutes away from AT&T Stadium. Brothers, we're having a fucking blizzard in Arlington, Texas. This is a snowstorm. Look at this shit. Incredible. Brothers, this is one of the worst winter storms I've ever seen in my 30 years of life in Texas. Now, I know up north, I got fans from New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Like, I know I got a lot of fans from up north. So y'all used to this shit. Brothers, this is Texas. This is Arlington, Texas. Like 20 minutes outside of Dallas. We don't get shit like this every damn year. We don't get this. This is foreign territory to us. That's why we had a 100-car pileup the other day. We're not used to this shit, man. Incredible. This is my backyard, and it's coming down like crazy. Wow. This is unprecedented. Unprecedented. They're expecting the power to go out, and we're charging up everything. Wish we had a generator. That's one thing I need to invest in. Man. Texas, y'all. Texas. Fucking incredible.